Hello trader. We can see that on XAUUSD there is a breakover structure in this lower time frame after this long bull market. Now with this breakover structure, is the market again potentially bouncing back to the upside or coming for a deeper pullback? So this is where we may find entry opportunity as the market potentially regaining a momentum for this trend. So before we look for further entry opportunity, let's see again the bigger picture from the monthly chart to see what XAUUSD potentially be doing here. Now, from the monthly chart, we can see that this is bull market. There is a monthly doji the previous months, and that monthly doji where there was a gap open, and with this gap open, the market we have seen that during the NFP from this monthly support level has gone almost to this monthly high and returned back again to this monthly low without retesting this monthly gap open. We see the market has managed to bounce back to the upside again, and with that gap open, as this market currently showing further move, we may see that what I think the price to push up further to retest this monthly high and potentially break out further to create an all-time high, as there is a fundamental force coming to bring that price potentially back to the upside. So this is where the market may remain bullish on the lower time frame. So if you look at the weekly chart to see further breakdown in this market, now from the weekly we can see that this is the weekly inverted head and shoulder here, and with this inverted head and shoulder the market managed to break to the upside. There was weekly breakdown here with a stronger drop. The market has broken below the 10 EMA of the weekly level, followed by a bullish candle from this 10 EMA, and also in the past we saw the market respected this 10 EMA multiple times. And now this week we can see the price from this support level here. We have seen there was a bounce, and with this bounce from this weekly support level, it's a bull market, and currently the prices crossed this previous weekly high, and potentially we could see this market to continue to the major direction of the trend. Now dropping down to daily, so far we can see that today back to back 3 days bullish move, and this is a very important key level. On the daily we can see in the past the market tested this tested this, and we saw that this is the move that happened in the past from this daily resistance, created this low in this move, and the market again has gone back up. We can see the prices just crossed that resistance line from the daily, trying to push back down here. Now there might be some deeper pullback as the prices cross this key level of resistance, and I think that as it managed to break above, we may see that after this pullback for the price again to push back again for another momentum. So today's high is what we can see at 3443 level. Currently the market is around 200 pip below that today's high. So if we look at the lower time frame 15-minute chart here, we can see that there is a breakup structure here that we have seen. The market has broken from this resistance line to this support level, and with here multiple liquidity grab that we can see in that area for this price to potentially bounce back towards the upside in that area. So here you can see this is the lower time frame price action where we'll be waiting for a potential breakup structure. This is where you can see the market has tested that low, and I think the price may potentially retest as there is a double bottom breakout. We'll be waiting for a retest of this neckline of this previous resistance, turning support here, and also this is support here, expecting XAUUSD to retest and then revert back again to create a new higher high in this market. So this is the potential entry that we will be waiting if the market shows stronger bullish momentum. On the other hand, we might see even a potential breakdown further as the price has tested this key level. Now if we see stronger rejection from the top, we will be waiting for further break, as long term trend is up at the moment. So we'll be waiting for a bullish confirmation for the short term bounce, and as the market approaching this key level, we might see higher high and then drop further for deeper pullback or continuation to the upside. So this is where, as soon as you will find suitable entry, you will be looking for going long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.